Good morning, Keller Williams, and welcome back to the KW Command 66-Day Challenge 4.0, and today is day 62. So today we're going to wrap the kind of last day in the little mini series that we've been doing on opportunity checklists. So in the previous 2 days, we talked about creating those custom checklists and then designating which one of these would be client update items. Today we're going to talk about how to add a reminder for those checklist items that would then show up in your tasks. So let's dive into opportunities. We're going to come into an actual opportunity here, and you can see it's in the pipeline under my buyer pipeline, searching. I've got 2 checklist items. I can click on them, and then you'll see if I hover over, it's got this set due date. Now, I would be careful. It's not really a due date for me, at least. It's more of a reminder, because if I set this due date at the time it's actually supposed to be done or completed, well, then I'm going to get a task to do something that I was supposed to do previously, right? So that task will fire at the exact date and time that you set it for. So if you want something done by Friday at 5, you should probably have that reminder maybe Friday at 9 a.m. so you have the full day to knock it out. So this is how you would do that. You would come in and set the due date. So let's just say, just for example, right, we were talking about this is due Friday at 5. I want to set myself a reminder to come in and get this done at 9 o'clock a.m. on Friday. And this is my responsibility, so I would assign this item to myself. Now you do have the ability to assign update items, or task checklist items, getting all my terms mixed up, checklist items to people on your team if you have a team. And if you set a reminder date and time there, it would actually show up in their task manager. So I want to show you what it actually looks like when it shows up. So I'm going to assign this to myself, and then let's just set the due date for a minute from now. And I'm going to click on OK and close. And one important thing to note, setting the due date is not enough to get it to show up in Task Manager. You do have to set the due date and assign it to yourself. But I can see these checklists now continuing to evolve, not only in items where you want to contact your client, but contract to close items, things like making sure that you've ordered certain documents or followed up with certain people involved in the transaction. You could remind yourself or somebody on the team to do those items using the set due date, right? And I use that term loosely, the due date function. So it's now 9:31. I can come back into my home screen first, and I've got my little task widget here, and you can see all tasks at the top. I can choose opportunity tasks, and here's that task item that I need to get done for that opportunity. I can also come into my task manager, and I can choose opportunity tasks here at the very top, and I can see that opportunity task as well. 2 great things are, one, I can click on the opportunity name, and it takes me directly into that opportunity's insides of the details page. So if it was something to do with documents or offers, commissions, I could easily access all of that. In addition, if it was something to do with contacting the contact associated, I could click on her name and it would immediately pull up her contact record, and I can move forward from there. So that's it for today. Basically, the ability to set yourself kind of reminders, if you will, regarding specific custom checklist items that you've built out in your stages within opportunities to remind yourself or other people on your team to accomplish those checklist items. Great talking to you guys as always. Hope everyone's having a fantastic Wednesday. And as always, I look forward to speaking with you again real soon.